Why are you not financially free? What went wrong? Whose responsibility is it? Welcome to NEEW, the new economic evolution of the world. I'm here to help you find answers to these questions. For the next couple of minutes, please listen closely because I'm going to tell you how the new economic evolution of the world is about to offer you an opportunity that comes along only once in a lifetime. Most of us are educated enough to know that in order to earn a living, we need to work for money. And that right there is the first problem. We've been educated just enough to keep us working for money. We were never educated enough to know that the money we've worked for will gladly work for us. People who know that are called investors. My name is Ferreira. I haven't worked for a boss for the past 30 years. I'm a singer, songwriter, actor, voiceover artist, and inspirational speaker. I'm an entrepreneur who created multiple successful business startups. I'm a cryptocurrency and tech enthusiast, and at the time of this recording, I'm a manager at NEEW. Please hear this. Unemployment is not a human problem. It's a money problem. Unemployed money is unhappy money. It's unhappy in your pocket. It's unhappy in your wallet. Money is most unhappy in your bank account. If you don't put money to work, it won't hang around for long. It'll wander off and end up in a wealthy man's pocket, who will take it and put it in a happy place, an investment portfolio. I call it a money colony, where money does what it loves most: work hard and make new friends. This money colony was started with 26,000 unemployed US dollars 5 years ago. And to date, it's grown to a massive 100 million happy, hard-working dollars. There's nothing more attractive to money than happy money. And so that's where I put my money. Now, with that said, before I go ahead, let me submit the following disclaimer. NEEW is predominantly an educational portal and does not offer personalized financial services or advice. We do not sell shares or give investment advice. Only general information is given and should be noted. The new economic evolution of the world, or NEEW, is not a registered advisor or broker at this time. We're an innovative organization in our 6th year of operation. The information provided is designed for educational purposes only. Any information offered should be considered as an idea or a recommendation. Some business opportunities and marketing ventures come with risk. Please decide to be responsible for your own actions and results. Any figures or projections offered during presentations or online posts, for that matter, are for illustrative purposes only and should not be considered as any guarantee or form of advice or professional recommendation. What am I going to share with you in the next few minutes? Well, you will start to understand why only 10% of the planet's population own 90% of the money, what the new economic evolution of the world is, how to enter a private investors club, how to become a co-owner of companies with limited access and start receiving passive income, what you need to do to achieve this, and how to claim a gift from NEEW after today's meeting. Have you ever heard that only 10% of the population own as much as 90% of the wealth of the world? There are probably some really complex socioeconomic reasons for that, but I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that our education system was developed during the early stages of the Industrial Revolution, and therefore, by its design, its purpose was to educate people just enough to enable them to find and hold a job. And that's where most people get stuck. Only small portions of people go on to become business owners and entrepreneurs, and even fewer move on to become investors. So the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, and the middle class is disappearing completely. And what does this mean in terms of long-term economics? Well, to put it bluntly, war. You see, environmental pollution, rising prices, and stagnant salaries make it impossible for people to retire. And so people need jobs for longer, but automation leads to lower employment opportunities. And when the unemployment figures get out of control, protests become riots and eventually large-scale instability and war. Now, to prevent this downward spiral, you need forward thinkers, you need visionaries. You need people like Andrei Havratov. Now, he's the author and creator and the CEO of the Academy of the Private Investor. He's a multidisciplinary professional investor and businessman. He's the CEO of NEEW Group of Companies. He's the author of the CRYPTOUNIT program, and he's a master in dream realization. He's the host of the Secret of Millionaires with Andrei Havratov program. He's the best business coach in financial and investment personal development of 2018, according to the Mellon Rich magazine and the Finance Times Business Journal. He's also the chairman of the Investment Council of the international public association called World's Generals for Peace, and he was awarded the Dove of Peace Medal by this association. Now, having a lot of experience in investment and business, he decided to help 1 million people become millionaires. He formulated the 8 rules of the private investor. His goal is to teach 15% of the world's population investment literacy. And he created the idea of the new economic evolution of the world, an opportunity for everyone to become co-owners of the global investment portfolio and to receive share of the profit for life. About those 8 rules of the private investor, stay with me, because at the end of this meeting, we will offer you access to this course as a gift. The course teaches you to know what financial independence and freedom is, to know and follow the 5 commandments of the private investor, to define your financial plan, to not put all your eggs in one basket or diversification, to keep investment discipline, to not become greedy, to always be prepared to learn, and to always increase your investment capital. Now, through following what he actually teaches, Andre and his team has been developing the new economic evolution of the world program in stages since 2011. The growth in investment turnover, created assets, and overall business value is mind-blowing. And due to its unique business model, the customer base is also exploding exponentially. They created an investment portfolio in 2014, which at the time of this recording is active in no less than 20 market sectors, and these include education, multi-level crowd investing development sector, sector of equity participation in business via co-ownership, health and longevity development sector, innovative transport development sector, banking sector, stock markets, forex markets, cryptocurrency markets, insurance sector, real estate sector, innovative development sector, agricultural and farming development sector, sector of entrepreneurial, cooperative and social development, science sector, culture sector, precious and semi-precious metals sector, precious and semi-precious stone sector, space development sector, non-missile space exploration spaceway program, and also the charity sector. So, what has been implemented to date? Well, 111 countries of the world support NEEW. Over 750,000 partners joined, and over $137 million have been invested. Remember that investment portfolio I showed you earlier, that happy money colony I was talking about? Well, here it is. It's magnificently balanced, diversified, hedged and leveraged with instruments that range from banks, brokerages to property and groundbreaking transport technology. From the film industry to gold mining and diamond production. From retail food and fashion chains to cryptocurrencies and ATM cryptomats. It's a money magnet. Full details of the portfolio performance are regularly reported. So who is in control? Well, Andrei Khvaratov and Igor Romanenko manage the fund. Now, I've already introduced you to Andrei. Igor is the Global Investment Portfolio Manager at NEEW. He's a professional investor, private trader. He's an investment consultant at the Academy of the Private Investor. He's the head of the Investment Education and NEEW Client Development Director. He's the Global Investment Portfolio or the Crypto Unit Program Asset Management Director. Now, there it is again, the Crypto Unit Program. It's the second time you've heard that during this meeting, and I'm glad you picked up on it, because that right there is your key. You see, this is where everything is going to change for you. Creating a global investment portfolio takes money, it takes time, it takes dedication. It's a really cool thing to have it all set up, but let's face it, not many of us are in a position to do that. And that's why the Crypto Unit Program is such a huge deal in the development of the new economic evolution of the world. The Crypto Unit Program gives you the opportunity to become co-owner and a shareholder in the global investment portfolio. Now, at this stage, only CRU partners will get access to the Crypto Unit Program Private Club. What do you get out of the Crypto Unit Program membership? Well, you get access to training courses, global investment portfolio co-ownership, loyalty program payouts, an opportunity to receive bonus profit share income, crypto unit token value growth, STO investment, audit control, free circulation of the crypto unit, and global merchandising. And what does this mean? Well, it's the economic evolution to an economy where not just 10% of the people own 90% of the wealth of the world. The new economic evolution of the world is aimed at making it possible for all people to become co-owners, shareholders, and equity holders of the most profitable enterprises on the planet. This society will be able to take a completely new path of development and solve social and ecological problems and develop the awareness of people through investment education to help them invest in the right companies only. That's why the most important company product is the educational information products available in your personal account. You get quality training in investment and financial literacy and unit CRU points as a bonus by purchasing any EIP. The unit CRU points make up your share in the global investment portfolio. So you get co-ownership in that money colony I was talking about earlier, where happy money does what it loves most, working hard for you, making new money friends 24/7. Now, apart from getting education and co-ownership in the global investment portfolio, you can also get involved in the business end of things. Now that you know just how much money loves working for you, it's really cool to put in a full day's work and earn some of those hard-working dollars, isn't it? Join the multi-level crowd investing network and share the opportunity. Then put the money you earn through that to work again for you and create the cycle of the financial flow of the wealthy in your own finances. By the way, you don't need to be a strong networker. You just need to care about helping people. No other company has this on offer. The constant increase in the price of the crypto unit due to the reinvestment of part of the income in the global investment portfolio. Unlimited instant income by sharing the opportunity through the multi-level crowd investing program. Loyalty program payouts. The opportunity to receive profit bonus income for life. An international business operating from the comfort of your own home. The new economic evolution of the world is already reaching every corner of the planet. In 2019, a huge number of conferences were held around the world. Australia, Peru, Ukraine, Ecuador, Russia, Spain, Belarus, West Africa, South Africa, Estonia, Nigeria, Great Britain, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Oman, and more. Are we making an impact though? Absolutely. There are already many success stories of self-made millionaires through the NEEW CRU program and the benefits of the education that opens up the investment world to everyone willing to take the time to learn. Regular promotions are announced through the news channels available to existing members. Please get back to the person who invited you to this meeting and ask them about that. There might just be a promotion running right now. Are you willing to change your life and maybe the world? Well, then let me repeat those first 3 questions again. Why are you not financially free? Because you were educated just enough to keep you working for money. What went wrong? Well, you never became part of a community of like-minded people large and strong enough to bring about the new economic evolution of the world. Whose responsibility is it? You already have the ability to respond. Now let's create the future together. We're on the verge of the new economic evolution of the world, and we are at the very beginning of the path, which will certainly lead us to massive universal success. Take control. We will help you get going by giving you access to the 8 rules of the private investor training course as a gift. Just get back to the person who invited you to this meeting, and they will help you to register your free account and receive your gift. Listen, all your money wants to do is work for you and make new money friends. Don't keep it waiting, it'll start wandering off. Introducing the implementation of the new economic evolution of the world, NEEW, is probably the most urgent event on the global calendar. First and foremost, it's a financial literacy education drive, and the process is simple. Join and share. Thank you for joining us.